This little video pays homage to the extraordinary, amazingly talented, sassy Dame Maggie Smith, and I'm waxing around her face with a brush and very hot wax. I want the background to this batik to be white. I now start waxing the central areas of Maggie's face. I want the areas to be white that are the highlighted areas on her face. I'm initially using a junting because I can do much more detail with a junting than with a brush. Fiddly-iddly little bits are really good to use a junting for. There we go. Getting there. My job now is to fill in the central areas of my wax lines, and as you can see, I revert back to the brush for this. I mix dyes, Procyon cold water dyes, a little bit of lemon in a pot, bicarb and warm water. I mix it together with a brush. There we go. And now I apply it to Maggie's face. The highlighted waxed areas now peek through. I take off excess dye. Now that the dye is dry, I wax again. Other features on Maggie's face. I am concentrating. As I say, it is fiddly, and the wax in the wrong place is going to make Maggie not look like Maggie. So I do have to consider very carefully what I'm doing. I can't drift off into daydream land, or I will absolutely make an error. That's no good at all. Central areas, again as before, are now filled in with the brush. Got quite a lot of yellow on Maggie's face actually, as you can see. My next dye is applied, which is gold. I'm beginning to see her there. Take off excess dye and now wax again. This is my final waxing. I'm doing the eyes and I'm going to be doing areas on the mouth. And again, I repeat myself here, but you do have to focus, especially in portraiture. It is fun though. Nearly there. Nearly there. Now my final colour, a brown, is applied. Excess dye is taken off with paper towel, and now I start the process of ironing out the wax with newspaper and a very hot iron. Getting there, and here she is.